A couple of days ago, I asked a question on Facebook groups. So I took a couple of Facebook groups and I asked this question to lash artists of how many of them were already making six figures in this industry. And the answer I got was overwhelming. Oh my God, so many lash artists replied to the messages and gave me feedback on this. For those of you who don't know who I am Karen Martiz, owner of Lash Blvd and creator of Lash Like a Pro online training course. You see me creating videos for lash artists and helping them succeed through this journey of eyelash extensions and becoming lash artists. I teach them how to do the technique of eyelash extensions. I also give tips on how to run an eyelash extensions business. I've been doing this for the last 7 years and I just love to share everything I know with all of you. So anyways, I asked this question, how many of you were already making six figures in the industry? And surprisingly, there's so many lash artists who have already reached that mark. So I wanted to put this video together to share with you the success path of a lash artist, or how successful we can be in this industry. I know that many of you who have tried to enter in this industry has given up because you don't see traction right away. But one of the main reasons or the main way people become successful in any business and any industry, it is to be patient. Things don't happen overnight, and it does take a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication. I remember when I got started in this industry, I really didn't know what I was doing. I just knew that it was a popular service that I could provide to my clients, and it was a service that will bring clients every other week. And that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to build a solid clientele. So did it happen overnight? It did not happen overnight. It took me about 6 months to realizing that I could potentially make six figures in the industry. But one of the reasons I feel that I was successful with that was because I kept practicing, even if it was for free. I was offering my services at no cost so that I could become really good at the technique. And by doing this, I actually got really good at doing eyelash extensions. And so all of my clients were sticking with me. And that grew really fast, and their services, the results they share with their friends, with their family, and so they kept referring people into my business. This is really what happens when you are creating a business, any business that you want, right? So, my advice to you is don't give up too fast, because if you give up too fast, then, you're not gonna make it. And this is what's gonna happen in any job that you get. So don't do that. It doesn't happen overnight. Just know that you might not get clients today, but you might get a client tomorrow, and that client might come back in 2 weeks. So it's another client you don't have to worry about, because if you are good enough at your technique, those clients keep coming back over and over and over again. Now, the other thing that I want to really advance and that I know works for a lot of mentors and business owners and people who are making over six figures, some seven figures, is they set huge goals in their business. So let's say if you have a goal of making six figures, let's say by next year, you have to write it down, right? Because now you are making moves and doing things that a six-figure entrepreneur or lash artist are doing. You are promoting yourself more, you are charging more for your services, you are asking more for referrals. So now your goals, your vision, the steps you are taking are towards that six figures that you want to make. So it is absolutely doable. If another lash artist was doing it, if I did it, why wouldn't you be able to? So set those big goals for yourself. That's gonna help you a lot in this entire journey of getting, super successful. So just wanted to share that with you, that everything, it's truly possible in this industry. And also something that, that I did in my business, and I highly encourage you to look into. For those lash artists who are already successful and already making way over six figures in this industry, what is your next big goal? Do you dream about becoming a lash trainer? Do you dream about becoming a distributor of products? Leave me a comment, send me a DM, leave me a comment. I just want to see where are you at in your career, or if you are just content doing lashes. What I felt when I was just doing lashes before I got into training and developing my own products was that there was a ceiling on my income. So what I did when I started setting my goals of making 7 figures was, okay, so what are the things and the moves that I need to make? So I started creating the online program Lash Like a Pro, which we train lash artists online, and also the program that I do live. So we have 3-day programs, we have 2-day programs, 1-day program, and all those programs was one of the main things that helped me make the jump into those more multiple 6 figures in my business, was taking my business to the next level, not just doing eyelash extensions. And then after that, creating the product line. So leave me in the comments, let me know where are you at with your business, and if becoming a lash trainer or developing your own line of products is something you have on your goals, on your board, and something you want to do. Well, so nice catching up with all of you. I hope to see you next time. Hope this was helpful, and reach out with any questions. I am here to empower you to be the best that you can be. I'll see you soon.